Supercharge your N8n workflows by unleashing the power of Deepseek's AI, transforming your automations into intelligent powerhouses. First, in your N8n workflow, identify where you want to integrate Deepseek's capabilities. This could be for text analysis, content creation, or even building a smart chatbot. Next, head over to the Credential section of your N8n settings, where you will create a new credential for Deepseek. You'll need to obtain your Deepseek API key from your Deepseek account dashboard, so make sure you have an account and have generated your key. Copy and paste the API key into the appropriate field in your N8n credential form, and fill in any other required fields, as specified by Deepseek's API documentation. Now, in your workflow, add an HTTP request node to send requests to Deepseek. Configure the node with the correct API endpoint for the specific Deepseek model you want to use. Set the HTTP method to post, and craft a JSON payload containing the instructions or data you want Deepseek to process, making sure you reference the credential you just created. After receiving the response from Deepseek, use a function node to parse the JSON output and extract the data you need for the rest of your workflow, ensuring smooth data transfer. And that's it. You've successfully connected Deepseek to N8n, opening up a world of possibilities for AI-driven automation. So get creative.